Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. And this must be... It's Werner! Big moment! Massive goal!
It's hardly a surprise, is it? That's what we're here for. A player with this wonderful knack of being able to show up and deliver at important times. Yet another example.
And that's it. That was always inevitable. Chelsea take the early advantage. Has a pop! Really well taken goal. They have grabbed themselves an equaliser. That was easy, almost too easy.
Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it.
Porto grabbed the equaliser and we're all square.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus and then bang, you're pegged back again.
Alex Telles. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there.
Evo opet da završimo ovo, da stavim na internet.
Say that was
Pošto igraju danas, ću bude gledao.
Stopped him dead in his tracks.
Porto have pushed both fullbacks into quite advanced positions here.
Yeah, that's interesting. So what are they attempting to do?
Well, it's a bold attempt, in my opinion, to occupy the opposition in a way they're not expecting.
Questions for... looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it.
Tino, zatačno mi je neko daj 100 €. Ma davaj.
Oh, that is rather wayward.
Ma više vred.
Brought forward. Has a pop! No, that wasn't killing anyone.
Well, it could have been and probably should have been a different choice of finish. There was lower space to hit.
Bravo.
Werner.
To onaj što je rekao vas, to onaj što se bunio. Zna da što ima Kaišoj, znaš onaj? 100 € daje.
Midway through the first period, and it's looking quite a game here. Tries to dink it in. Shoots it out of harm's way. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Azpilicueta plays it forward. Werner played out to the right. Mbemba. Forward it goes. Tries to get it forward quickly. He's left his man. Goes to finish!
Дай му ли нещо колач. Колач, нещо. Ай.
Azpilicueta tries to clear. Pulisic. A heavy challenge. Gets it out.
Šta стигна?
And that is as far as they're going to go. Good take, and he's had a look. Gets the better of his man. Oh, he's been flattened there. Plays it out to the wing. Dajte with a fine tackle. I think that's a corner. Yes, it is. Pulisic. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? He gets past his man. Werner. It's out for a goal kick. Hudson-Odoi. He's in! And he's there to cut it out. Hoists it forward. Pepe. Danilo Pereira. Let's make sure that that won't get through. Hudson-Odoi. Werner tried to play it through.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Azpilicueta gets his foot in there. Alex Telles. And the referee brings the first half to a close. So, a very watchable game so far. Action at both ends and the teams level. Chelsea head into the dressing room after a half in which we've seen 2 goals, 1 each, and the game right on edge. And so we're off again. Danilo Pereira.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Jorginho. Hudson-Odoi. Azpilicueta. Chilwell. Battles to win it back.
Dajte.
And it's played forward.
Šta bilo sad?
Jorginho.
A mu li je evo sad je završen?
Good challenge. He just stood firm.
Peter, we can only applaud that quality of tackle in the circumstances. It was probably goal-saving.
More than happy to take the muscular approach. Hudson-Odoi. Azpilicueta. Azpilicueta drives it forward. Long and direct. Ziyech. It's come loose. Forward it goes. Chilwell gets it back. Chelsea can make their change now with a break in play. Chelsea making consecutive changes here. Out of play for a goal kick. Kovacic. The ball has crossed the line and it's a throw. And it's Alex Telles. That's a promising ball. Pepe does well there, alert. That was one quality pass. Oh, what's he done? Alex Telles. Throw in. Porto have turned to their bench and we're going to have a substitution. Pass needed to be better than that and he knows it. Alex Telles with the crossfield ball. He goes long. Kovacic. Back into the middle. It's a great ball. That intervention was very necessary. Kovacic. Werner.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. That's a decent ball. Big chance! And the defence can get it clear.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
This could spell Werner! Goal! Into the lead once more. Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronized with the right pass, that's what happens.
He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Chelsea take the lead.
Oh, it was a long time coming, but I think it's fully merited. They've applied themselves extremely well.
Yeah, he's fouled him there.
Porto need to give it everything they have, kitchen sink included.
He's had a look. Oh, that has a go! He's got away with one there. And it's been taken short. Whipped in. A hefty... Oh, it's a mistimed tackle, and it is a penalty. And that is a huge moment in the context of the game.
It's just a silly one to give away at this stage of the game.
Well, the players are making their point, but the ref clearly isn't interested. He's waved them all away. And he scores! Back in business! Oh, dispatched with certainty.
And it only took a little drop of the shoulder to send the keeper completely the wrong way. Didn't he take it well?
It's Werner! Werner! That's brilliant! And that has raised the roof! That was a given. It always was.
Yeah, and teamwork was key to that. A beautiful piece of engineering to set him free in the box.
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
That defence must be sick of the sight of him. He's been persistent and ruthless all game. He just hasn't stopped working.
Chelsea take what looks to be a decisive lead.
There's still a bit left in it, Peter, but they should find the necessary to avoid a slip-up now.
Porto have a free kick. And he's going to have his name taken. shooting chance! Couple of changes then in quick succession.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
Almost there, and the players can feel it. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Chelsea win it by the odd goal. Almost nothing.